Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to send a voice message on Signal application using mobile device. First of all, unlock your phone and tap open the Signal app on your device to open it up. Now make sure that you're inside the home page of Signal logged in, and from the chat screen, select a contact or group chat where you want to send the voice message to. Once you select Open a Chat, go ahead and locate the microphone icon, which is located at the bottom right corner right next to the camera button. Press and hold the microphone icon to record your voice message. To cancel the voice message, you can slide it towards the left, just like that. But in order to send the message, all you need to do is to stop holding the microphone icon. And there you have sent a voice message to your friend or contact. Your voice message will appear in the chat. You can tap on it to listen to it. But in order to send the message, all you need to do is to stop holding the microphone. And that's it. Now you know how to send a voice message on Signal. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.